Here we have a really nice 7" by 12" horizontal bandsaw. The 115 volt model. And we're going to power it up, show you that it does operate. This does have a coolant pump system. We tested the coolant pump, it does operate. 4-speed belt drive. Hydraulic down feed. This is adjustable. You can put it on very slow or make it a little faster. As the head comes down, it hits the switch, turns the machine off. It's in really good condition. There's a couple little paint scuffs, a couple minor paint scratches on it from shipping. Nothing major. All the electrical and mechanical functions operate fine. It also includes 4 casters, 2 axles, your hardware for your casters, an instruction manual and parts manual. And we thank you for looking at our product.